Hello, my name is Joseph La Delfa. I am an industrial postdoc at Bitcraze, and I'm sitting here in the Drone Gymnasium. For the last 6 days, this place has been a fictional space where you can come in, engage with the Crazyflie products as well as some light prototyping tools to kind of create robotic experiences that you find interesting and inspiring. So we've had students come in from the interaction design course, the physical interaction design course at KTH, and they've been working with a team of people who are experienced with coding and modifying drone behavior, but also those who are experienced with moving with drones and interacting with them. And together there's been like a lot of knowledge exchange, a lot of exploration and discovery. And we think that the outcomes of this project will point towards a future where spaces like this gymnasium could exist, that's kind of halfway between the messiness of the real world and the cleanliness of the lab. And we think that that's a very important step that we need to make because for the last 10 years or so, or even longer, social robotics has really struggled to make that giant leap from the lab to the real world. And we think that a halfway space like this could be an interesting way forward.